And because I knew a lot of the kids, that adjustment was difficult. The fact that it was religious was very hard for me. But being at that time, I was, I think, 11 years old, I was easily influenced, and I decided, well, that's a good thing. I'll become religious. And I remember one day I came home and I told my mother I would really like her to have a kosher household. And my mother said, that's a wonderful idea, and I think you should do it the moment you get married and set up your own house. So that was the end of that.